Hey guys, welcome back to the educational channel EdCouch. I know, I was not sure regular on this channel. After I finished my testing tutorial for basic or beginner, I know that. I'm so sorry for that. But no worries, now I will be uploading my next educational videos about many topics on this channel, that too on a regular basis. So, yeah, it's a happy news. So, stay tuned and keep showing some love and support. Today, we will be learning about Canva, which is a versatile web based design tool that simplifies creating professional quality visuals without requiring advanced design skills. So, yes, if you are a beginner, also you can learn this tool. So, simply you have to open your Google Chrome and type Google. So once you open Google, just type Canva, Canva. So the first website is the actual website you need to open with HTTPS. Of course, it's a secure sign. So once you click on that first website, so this page will open, which is Canva dashboard page. So here the page is really colorful and tempting. I would definitely recommend this design tool because it has a free tool to use, free version. So you have many designs and ideas to search here, but definitely first we need to create an account. So if you see the right side, there are two options: login and sign up. So if you already have an existing account, you can click on login, but definitely here we are, I'm going to show you from the begin. So you just need to click on sign up, then this page will pop up and it has four options. First one is if you want to continue with Google. Second shortcut is if you want to continue with Facebook. So if you don't want to do this too, third option is the recommended option, which is continue with email. You can also continue another way. It may ask you for a mobile number and OTP, but definitely the recommendation is to click on continuous email. So once you click on that, this page will open where you need to enter your email ID, which is not exist in Canva. So you need to create an account from the begin. So I'm going to give one email ID which is not exist in Canva and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will actually recommend a name for your account. So if you want to change a name, you can do it. I am not going to change. I will just keep it as it is recommended by Canva and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask for a secure code. You can say OTP, which supposed to send to your email ID you have given in the previous page. So let me find out the code in my mobile and just type it here. So once you type this 6-digit code, automatically it's going to the next page. And wow, congratulations, your Canva account is created successfully. So yeah, now once you create a new account, it will show you this pop-up window where you need to select very carefully that what will you be using Canva for. Whether you are a student or you are a non-profit charity, you are using for a large company or a personal use, or if you are a teacher or a small business. So just choose it very carefully. So for now, we are going to choose personal use. So definitely I'm going to choose it for my personal use. So once you click on that, it will actually show you to whether you want to upgrade to Canva Pro. Yes, Canva is a very good tool, guys. So definitely if you are a pro, you are expert how to use it, and it is actually very useful in your day-to-day life. I would definitely recommend you to upgrade to Canva Pro, because Canva Pro actually give you a large amount of options to use. But for now, we are going to skip it because we are just learning the uses and everything. So that's all for today, guys. So once you skip that upgrade part, you will be in this dashboard page, and in the search toolbar you can just type anything and everything. Like if you want a YouTube thumbnail, or if you want something for your Instagram, or if you want really something for your Snapchat, Facebook, so all the options you can just select, and Canva will give you a vast number of designs where you can just put your pictures or text, and it's all set and ready. So what are you waiting for? Just go through this until I will come up with my episode number 2 for this Canva. So stay tuned, guys. I will be coming up with many such videos. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel.